Hello everyone, my name is John.
Hello everyone, I'm Bob. Welcome to Jack Live.
Now we are in Hangzhou City.
Yes, today we are here especially want to introduce Jack Smart Garment Factory for you.
With nearly 30 years of development, Jack has become a total solution provider for intelligent garment manufacturing.
Yes.
To deep explore the needs for garment factories, we set up this factory to help the factories to reduce the cost and increase the efficiency.
Of course, and the Jack Factory can train a lot of staff who can use intelligent digital machines. And this factory can treat as a base for the new business model revolution.
So how does Jack factories look like? Bob, can you introduce for us?
Let me briefly introduce. Jack Smart Garment Factory have 2 floors, 30,000 square meters, and have 130 staff. Now we are producing t-shirts, sweaters, and of course, this factory can use a lot of intelligent digital equipment, just like intelligent fabric inspection machine, intelligent spreader, auto cutter, intelligent hanger system, and our intelligent sewing machine, and have our intelligent warehouse. Of course, later I will introduce to you one by one with the details.
So talk about smart factory, data is very important.
Of course.
Yes, but some of the factory will face such as problems like some of the equipment cannot obtain the data, and also maybe different platform of the information cannot be connected. So that will reduce a lot of the effect for the smart factory.
And this big screen is have a deep image on our customer's mind. With so many information, we can know the order produce schedule and know the equipment situation, and we can monitor the quality. So all this kind of information can increase our factory efficiency and build up a transparent factory. That is very helpful.
Seems like you know a lot about smart factory.
Yes.
So let's go and take everyone to look at all the details.
Okay.
Now we are on the first floor of the factory. There are fabric warehouse, accessory warehouse, finished products warehouse, and intelligent cutting room.
Yes. Next to me is Jack Intelligent Fabric Inspection Machine. Why we say it is intelligent? Because it uses AI deep learning and continuously accumulate data, and also can automatically identify the fabric defects and then reform a fabric report.
So how does Jack Intelligent Inspection Machine do this?
You can see that this fabric inspection machine comes with a high definition camera. This camera can identify defects and then automatically identify them to form a defect map upload system, which is connected to the spreader, labeling machine, auto cutter, and the digital screen for quick inspection. Jack Intelligent Fabric Inspection Machine can also bring high value to our customers. First of all, through AI deep learning and calculation, the database is periodically improved. The recognition rate of fabric defects is over 90%, and the accuracy can reach 0.01 mm. Second, automatically generate defect point maps and inspection reports. Finally, a very important point is the fabric inspection machine can workload and speed is 3 to 5 times more than the staff, and one staff can use multi machines. One machine is equal to 4 staff workload. So it is obviously improved the fabric inspection speed in the garment factory.
So after the fabric inspection, we will go to the fabric warehouse.
Okay, let's go.
Now we arrive in our fabric warehouse.
Yes.
Hey, Bob, have you noticed the difference between this warehouse and other warehouse?
There is an obvious difference. I can see a lot of shelves, and we can also put the shelves at the high position. That is the difference.
Yes, because the traditional fabric warehouse, we can see that all the fabrics are put on the ground with a pallet. And
Yes.
sometimes they will use with the shelves with a height that is easy to get by the man.
Yes, we can see a lot of traditional factory. Actually, the area is big and the space is high, but the outside space is always wasted. And now we know the factory rent is not cheap, and the price increase year by year. So I think this kind of vertical warehouse can solve these problems.
Yes, that's right. So Jack set up with this warehouse is to keep the upper space to be
Yes.
used. And we use with the shelves and the unmanned forklift to achieve the goods of the store and the retrieval.
So how is the forklift works?
There are 195 pallet containers in total. And in this warehouse, according to 50 meters per row, total can put 10 total can put 100,000 meters of fabric can be stored. But if used the traditional way, it can only store about 30,000 meters, equal with 1/3 of automated stock. Now we can see the process of this unmanned forklift. Because after the fabric inspection is completed, the warehouse staff will issue a task through the handheld table by WMS system. The unmanned forklift sends the pallet to the connection point and will manually places the tablet scans the code to bind the fabric and then sends the warehouse task through the WMS system. This forklift automatically completes the warehousing of the fabric, and the warehousing information is synchronized to the MES system. So to summarize the advantage of this warehouse, there are so many points we can say.
Yes. Operationally, this warehouse saved a lot of space for the garment factory.
Yeah, that's true. And secondly, I think it can save labor because many of the work already done by the unmanned forklift.
And we can see in this warehouse we have the digital screen and combined with the mesh and WMS system and all this hardware and software together. I think the information is very transparent.
Yeah, to talk about the automated warehouse, we can see not only the fabric warehouse, our finished products warehouse also used with the automated warehouse.
Yes. Let's take a look.
Yeah, so our finished products warehouse total with 240 warehouse positions, covering an area of 300 square meters. 300 boxes can be put in and out of the warehouse in 1 hour.
Yes, it's amazing. The entire operation logic of the finished product warehouse is actually very simple. The HV trolley transports the finished product to the automatic vertical warehouse. The WMS automatically allocates the warehouse for storage, and after the elevator and the four-way shutter car are automatically stored in the warehouse. The inventory information is centralized to the MES system. MES issue delivery products task. WMS issues the task after receiving the instruction and automatically delivery out the goods. In many traditional garment factories, material storage is disordered, space utilization is low, picking is time-consuming and labor intensive, and the lack of information and data leads to huge waste. Jack's finished product warehouse can realize intensive storage, fast entry and exit, transport rent information, less human management, reduce search time, reduce labor intensity, and so on factory headache. So many pain points of traditional garment factories, and achieve a comprehensive benefit increase of more than 20%. As you know, in many traditional garment factories, they put the materials here and there, just disordered, that waste a lot of space. And when you want to pick up some garment pieces, then it will more stuff and waste a lot of time. And there is no information, so that is huge waste. But our Jack, this finished product warehouse, we can achieve the intensive storage, and we can faster check in, faster check out, and we have the transparent information. So the comprehensive efficiency increased 20%.
Yes. So as we have introduced not only the fabric warehouse and the finished product warehouse, we also have an accessory warehouse here. So
Yes.
let's go and see.
Take a look.
Okay, let's go. Here is our ring-shaped accessory warehouse. As we all know that garment factories with so many kinds of accessories. So for the staff, it's very difficult to manage and to calculate the consumption. But with this warehouse, all the problems can be solved.
You can easily understand that this hardware of the warehouse is combined with shelves and automatic robotic arms. With WMS software, it's easy to use. Workers only need to scan the code through PDA, and the robotic arm will automatically grab the corresponding material boxes.
And cooperate with the digital screen. It can clearly record the in-out list, storage location, utilization rate, and inventory time, which can help us adjust the purchase plan in time and check the loss and to reduce the material cost.
Yes, with this automatic robot arm, it can pick up the material books very fast. So the efficiency of this out and in is very high.
And I think it's very easy to work for this accessories management because there is no need any skill for the workers.
Also, this warehouse is combined with software and hardware, and the information is very transparent. We can understand all the situation easily.
Okay, so after the check about the fabric warehouse, finished product warehouse, and accessory warehouse, let's move to our fabric losing area.
Okay, let's go. Now we come to the Jack fabric losing area. And according to the characteristics of the fabric and also the process demand, Before cutting, all the fabric need the time to loosen. So what is the jack hole process of fabric loosening?
As we have introduced, the fabric warehouse is there. So after the staff make up the task according to our production plan, the unmanned forklift will bring the fabric here according to the request. After the fabric loose, it will be taken by the AGV to our fabric loosen buffet area. After that, it will be bring to the auto cutting room by the request from the mesh system.
Yes.
So let's go
So let's
to
go.
check about the cutting room process. Now we have arrived to our cutting room. We can see the fabric after loosen, it will be come to here by AGV automatically. So all the process will be
Start with here.
So and also no need any worker to do such works.
Yes. Now I want to introduce GK spreader for you. This is the first model in the industry to use the Windows operating system to provide the Internet of Things foundation. It is equipped with a high-definition projection system to project the logo in real time. The standard configuration SCADA system supports the docking of APS, MES, ERP, and other software. The standard configuration of double pulling and double cutting function can cooperate with the fabric inspection machine, labeling machine, cutting bed, and patch small software, and so on, to achieve defect management. Next, let's introduce our automatic labeling machine. Labeling machine is a kind of automatic equipment before cutting, which can replace the label paper. The thermal label is printed by the industrial printer, and the cut information of the relevant layout is passed on the paved fabric, and the two-dimensioned code can also be printed. The label consumable are similar printing paper, which is cheap, easy to purchase, and replace. Labeling can save the labor cost of shipping mark paper, ink, plotter, and handling the shipping mark for customers, and has the function of marking defects. Next, we will demonstrate the running state of the automatic marking machine. You can see that this label does not need ink, so it is green and environment friendly. After this fabric reaches the standard, it's now sent to the cutting bed through the transfer table. This auto cutter is a star product in global sales. It integrated 30 years of experience in cutting process software development, and it has such functions as intelligent tool correction system, dynamic air suction, intelligent curve cutting algorithm, critical speed reduction, internal and external angle identification, integrated casting cutting head frame, stable structure, automatic oil filling technology, improved mechanical structure life, internal and external double cutter head structure, and achieved the effect of stabilizing fabrics. Yes, and the information flow in the cutting room is very transparent.
Yes, we can see, we just introduced that jack cutting room. How does it intelligent?
Yes, it increased the efficiency a lot and saved a lot of labors.
Yes, because of the information linked together, so we no need to inspect all the cutting pieces one by one, and it can save a lot of time and labor.
Yes. Now more and more garment factory owners face the same problem. It's very hard to hire experienced staff. So how to solve this problem? Jack can supply pattern sewing machine because pattern sewing machine is an intelligent sewing machine with 4 automation functions. It is easy to be operated and can replace skilled workers. And also it reduces labor intensity, improves production efficiency, and also improves product sewing quality. With this pattern sewing machine, we no need experienced staff. Only fresh staff can get trained and use this machine easily, and we can supply high-quality products. Now we are arrived at the centralized hanger station. This function cannot be ignored.
Yes, in this area, we will use the centralized hanging station to make the cutting pieces to link to the production line. So the process of this area is like the staff will issue the task from the mesh system, and our mesh system and the WMS system is linked together. So the WMS will automatically issue the task of the fabric to the AGV, and the AGV will automatically to transport the corresponding fabrics to our station. The AGV transports the corresponding factory pieces card to the corresponding hanging station, and the centralized hanging station can be freely assigned to any production line. One station can be equipped with 1 line or 3 lines, which not only save labor, but also can be freely adjusted.
Compared to the traditional way by hanging the pieces in the station, now we have this centralized hanging station. We will shorten the distance, so the efficiency also increased a lot.
Yes, especially for the factory like this, the first floor and the second floor, it means depart from the auto cutting room and the production line.
No need staff to manually transport
Yes.
it because it's automatically transported to the second floor.
Yes, that can save a lot of the labor and the time.
The second floor is mainly our sewing workshop. Now we are arrived at the PTL accessory warehouse. This warehouse is keeps the accessory for the present and upcoming orders. And we are using the shelf and the PTL system and the WMS system to manage it.
Yes, PTL, the full name is Pick to Light. According to the name, we can know that we can pick anything we want by the light guide.
Yes, it's very fast.
Yes, it's very fast. Then the operation is very simple. So our staff only to issue the task from the computer, and then she can follow the light from the upper side of the shelf. When the light is on, it means what she wants is in this area, and then she will check all the lights on this shelf. After she can see that this little light already on, it means this is what she wants to pick. And in here you can see the number of 100. It means the task quantity is 100. She needs to pick 100 pieces from here. And after she pick out of the 100 pieces, and she will press the button, and you will see there's 800 number here. It means the stock number is 800. Before she pick up, the number is 900. So with this system, it's very easy and very fast to find what our staff want to pick. And all the information and the data in this system is very transparent. And for our PTL system, we also have our digital screen. You can check from here.
This digital screen clearly records the in-out list, storage location, utilization rate, and inventory time, which can help us adjust the plan in time, check the loss, and reduce the material cost.
So to summarize the advantages of this system, we can see it's with very high efficiency.
Yes, it can get you pick the material very fast.
And also it's very economical because you can only use the shelf and some of the light, and the deployment is very fast.
Yes, the investment is not high.
Yes, so this is a very good choice for all the factory accessories warehouse.
Yes.
Just now we have introduced our centralized hanging station in the first floor. Now we have arrived in the second floor. That means our production line area. So you can see from this place, it's from the first floor to the second floor automatically hanging to our production line. So with this system, it can be stored the corresponding cut pieces in advance. And the storage will be according to the production plan, style division, color, and code division. And the required styles are allocated to the corresponding production lines and can also be adjusted at any time according to the actual needs of production to achieve freedom, deployment, and a timely response.
And please take a look. This cutting piece buffer area have 14 storage. So each storage station can hold more than 110 pieces. It's a big quantity.
And all the data we can check by our computer of our intelligent hanging system. Sewing production line is very important in the garment factory. Normally, in this section will be so many workers in the whole factory.
Yes.
And we will put so much energy into this area, but even so, still will face much difficulties and problems, such as the efficiency is not so high and unclear the delivery time.
Yes.
So, and also there are so many of the quality problems and equipment problems. So to solve with those problems, how does check intelligent sewing production can do?
With so many problems, our solution in the intelligent sewing workshop is using intelligent hanging system and also other IoT machines. With these IoT machines, then we will have this data communication. Then all these kind of hardware and software will improve the efficiency in the factory and to face these different kind of problems and face the various changes. First of all, I would like to introduce our smart screen solution for you. This machine can combine online data and management data, combine production instructions, online information, and the status of the sewing station, issues instructions for workshop production, and collect data for production management. 3-in-1 screen function displays the sewing workshop each application scenario like production line, working hours, utilization rate, online rate, process parameters. Through the IoT equipment data, fully grasp the online rate of workshop and production line equipment, identifying unused resources and avoid waste. Accurately calculate the work hours of picking, sewing, and hanging through the IoT system. Instantly identify the bottleneck process and evaluate the skills of the workers, which is convenient for optimizing the production line in time, i.e., does not need to go to the site to measure the working hours. The process parameters are bound to the equipment and sent to the sewing station through the background, which reduce the waiting time for training and exchange. At the same time, parameters such as needle distance can be logged, and the sewing station cannot be adjusted at will to ensure product quality. Real-time display of employee output, progress, repair, working hours, and other information, set employee rankings, and use self-improvement in quality and efficiency. The sewing machine can be repaired with one click through the Internet of Things device, and the machine can be quickly replaced and repaired to reduce the waiting time.
Thanks very much for Mr. Zhang's sharing. There are standard lines and higher lines, and compared with the traditional batches production models, hanging system advantages and is closer to one-piece flow, which is very perfect production type in lean manufacturing, such as speed up flow and reduce WIP. Also, the quality problems can be found and solved in time. And what's more, the information is very transparent because we have also set up with some of the digital screen in our production line workshop.
Yes, the digital screen will show production order information, order fulfillment rate, first time through rate, repair, and so on. Timely detection of abnormalities, timely warming and processing, and improve product quality and efficiency.
So to summarize the value points of the intelligent production line system, we use the equipment with IoT technology, and also the data connectivity is very good between the hardware and the software.
Yes, Jack is applies the hardware and software, so this IoT and the data can collect it very perfectly and improve the efficiency a lot.
So we can see in the sewing production lines, we see the ironing also in our hanger system station. So after all the sewing and ironing, the inspection will be finished here. And then this worker will combine the information of this hanger, and then the information will from this hanger to that hanger and to combine with the clothes. And after that, she press the button, it will automatically transport to the sorting and the packing area.
Yes, it's attractive. So let's go to the sorting and the packaging area.
Okay.
Now we are in the sorting and packaging area. In this area, we have a lot of equipments. Please take a look.
After the finished products off the line, they run to the buffer area and are automatically separated into colors and codes by the intelligent hanging sorting system. According to the mass out warehouse plan, they are sent to the packaging table. Then they are sent to the conveyor line. The automatic needle detection machine will conduct the detection. After the detection is passed, enter the plane sorter, sorts and packs boxes according to information such as style, color, code, and region. Normally, it can work 5,000 to 6,000 pieces per hour. After the box is automatically sealed, it is transported to the palletizing area. The robotic arm automatically completes the compactizing, automatically sends a signal to the AGV and transport to the finished product warehouse. Those are all the information that we share with you about Jack Smart Garment Factory. Thanks very much for your watching.
If you have any doubt, please leave your message in our comment area and we will follow up. And thanks for watching. For future, we will provide more excellent videos for you. And also, warmly welcome to pay attention to our Jack living room. Thank you.
Okay, see
Bye
you
bye.
next time. Bye bye.